how to find and see all your logins and passwords on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Mozilla Firefox. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines, as you can see. Now go here down, you will find this passwords option. Click on it like this, and as you can see right here on this page, you will find all your logins. I don't have a logins, but as you can see here, you will find your saved logins and passwords. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.